Do you think your CMDB data is always correct? What if I tell you, even correct data becomes wrong over time? In this video, you will learn how ServiceNow CMDB Data Manager keeps your data clean, accurate, and trusted, step by step with real examples. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ServiceNow Learn Easy by Praveen Aminane. This is part 20 of our CIS-Data Foundations exam series. Today, we are going to understand CMDB Data Manager, policies, and data certification in a very simple way with real-time examples. Let's start with the questions and answers. Here, what is the primary purpose of a CMDB Data Manager? Option A, create CA records. Option B, maintain and improve CMDB data quality over the time. Option C, manage incidents. Option D, delete duplicate records. So the exact answer is option B, maintain and improve CMDB data quality over the time. Because CMDB data manager is used after data is already in CMDB. Please remember this point. After data is already in CMDB. So already in the CMDB data. So its role is monitor data quality regularly, detect issues, ensure continuous improvement. Next question. What do data manager policies primarily do? Option A, update data automatically. Option B, detect and flag data quality issues. Option C, create new CA. Option D, assign ownership. So the correct answer is option B, detect and flag data quality issues. Policies means rules. So it's a defined rules. Mandated fields should be filling or not, conditions of the servers, and scan the CMDB, mark CIS as a non-compliant. So important point is these are the rules, but not fixed data, not update the data. Just rule, follow the or not, it will consider. Next one. What happens when a CA violates a policy? Option A, CA is deleted. Option B, CA is automatically corrected. Option C, CA is marked as non-compliant. Option D, CA is ignored. The correct answer is option C. CA is marked as non-compliant. It means it will detect the system behavior as issues detected, CA flagged, and it needs the human action. Next one. What is data certification in CMDB? Option A, automatic data correction. Option B, manual data validation by responsible users. Option C, data deletion. Option D, UA validation. The correct answer is option B, manual data validation by responsible users. So certification means it's a sends the task to the users, asked to verify data. So user must confirm or correct. Next one. Who typically performs data certification? Option A, end users. Option B, data owners or data stewards. Option C, developers. Option D, customers. The exact answer is option B, data owners or data stewards. So owner is accountable person, steward is operational person. In the last video, we already discussed the CMDB we can compare with the school data. And the school principal is the owner. So he is the accountable person for the entire CMDB or entire school. Then steward we can compare with the school teacher because he's the operational person. Teacher is the operational person for the school. Same logic will apply for the CMDB data. Here for the CMDB, owner is accountable person and steward is the operational person. Which statement is true about data manager policies? Option A, they correct data automatically. Option B, they only detect issues and enforce compliance rules. Option C, they delete incorrect data. Option D, they assign CA relationships. The correct answer is option B. They only detect issues and enforce compliance rules. So data manager policies are the detect issues. They only detect issues. They won't modify. Just detect issues, enforce the rules. They are following or not, they are checking rules. So they do not modify the data. That's the important point. The data managers won't modify the data. Just they detect issues, check the issues, and whether they are following our rules or not, they're checking. Next one. Which statement is true about data certification? Option A, it runs automatically and fixes data. Option B, it requires human validation. Option C, it deletes incorrect records. Option D, it creates CA. The correct answer is option B, it requires human validation. Data certification means human validation. So it's a human driven process, ensures data is reviewed or not. Next one. What is the relationship between policies and certification? Option A, both do same work. Option B, policies detect issues. Certification validates data. Option C, certificates detect issues. Policies validate. Option D, both delete data. So the correct answer is option B. Policies detect issues, but they won't modify. But certification validates the data. So policies is a detection, certification is a validation. Together, both policies and certification together form the full data quality control for the CMDB. Data quality control means it's the correct data. Next one. Why is CMDB Data Manager important? Option A, improve UA. Option B, maintain long-term CMDB data quality. Option C, manage assets. Option D, create workflows. The correct answer is maintain long-term CMDB data quality. For the even good data becomes bad over the time. For that, data manager ensures continuous monitoring and continuous validation. Why CMDB data quality is required? For the incident purpose, for the change management purpose, and for the root cause analysis purpose. And for all accurate data, it should be maintained by CMDB. What is the final outcome of using data manager? Option A, duplicate data. Option B, inconsistent data. Option C, accurate and compliant CMDB data. Option D, no data. The correct answer is outcome of the data manager is accurate and compliant CMDB data. Option C. So data manager outcome is for the clean data, validated data, trusted CMDB. Here, these are the core points. First point is CMDB data manager maintains data quality over the time. So it means today server data is correct. But after 3 months, owner will be changed, IP changed, IP address changed. Then data manager ensures it stays updated. Next one, CMDB data can become outdated, incomplete, or incorrect. So data problems happen over the time. For example, server retired but still active in CMDB, and owner field is empty, wrong IP address. It leads to the wrong decisions. Next one, third one, data manager uses policies and certification. It means two main components. Data manager has two major components: policies and certification. Policies means automatic checks the rules. Certification means manual validation. For policy is the machine check and certification is the human check. Next one, policies define data quality rules. It means rules like mandatory fields, valid values, correct format. For example, owner field must not be empty and IP address should be valid format. Next one, policies run automatically and scan CMDB. It means no manual work. System checks automatically. For example, every day at 2 a.m., policy scans all servers, then find missing or incorrect data. Next one, sixth one, if rules fail, CA marked as non-compliant. It means if CA breaks the rules, marked as non-compliant. For example, server without owner, then status as a non-compliant. So it will impact the alert teams and visible in reports. Seventh one, policies only detect issues. So do not fix the data. So it means policies only identify the problems. For example, policies detects missing location, but does not fill it in. Just to detect only. So mainly, exam point of view, policies main role is it will detect only. It's not fix. Next one, eighth one, certification is a manual validation process. It means humans verify and correct the data. For example, task sent to the server owner as a please verify server details. Next one, data owner or steward reviews, confirms or corrects data. It means responsible persons updates data. For example, application owner is the responsible person for the correct data. Here, application owner checks the application CA. It will confirm the correct or updates wrong information. Next one, final result, clean, accurate, and trusted CMDB. It means after policies plus certification is the high quality CMDB. So it will correct the incident assignment, accurate change impact, and reliable reports, fast issue resolution. For example, correct server data as incident go to right team instantly. So remember this simple flow. Policies detect issues, certification fixes them, and policies plus certification together they make your CMDB clean, accurate, and trusted. If you like this explanation, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. ServiceNow Learn Easy by Praveen Amenani. Comment below CMDB mastered if you understood all 10 points clearly. And tell me, do you want more real-time examples for your exam? I will create more videos. Thank you. Wish you all the best, guys.